Okay, students, in the last class we have finished question number 1 in exercise 1.1 for class 12 relations and function. This is question number 2. In this video also we will try to solve as many as problems. At least sixth problem we are able to solve in this video. Okay, let us see what they have written in the question. Second number question. Show that the relation R in the set R, that means set of real numbers and the relation is R, defined as R is equal to, this is relation, A is less than or equal to B square. That means A is less than or equal to means here normally y is equal to x plus 1, y is equal to x square we write, but here A is equal to B square. You take first A is equal to B square, like A is equal to B square means how? That means x is equal to y square. That you have to understand here. Let me write here. X is equal to y square like he has given. But always what we take, fx is equal to A. Fx is equal to y. Normally we take y is equal to x square, but he has been reversed this. Okay, that you have to keep in mind. Is neither reflexive nor transitive nor symmetric. That means first we have to write relation, then by relation we have to compare whether these are symmetric or transitive or reflexive are there or not, like that we see. Okay, two things you have to keep in mind. Anyway, real number set is there, that you know very well. We have to write first real number set for understanding. Why? Because real number set means not like integers. Okay, even rational numbers also we have to include real numbers. This is first point. Second point here, rather than y is equal to x square or y is equal to x plus 1 or y is equal to x cube plus 3, he has given a is equal to b square or less than b square. That means x is equal to y square or x is less than y square, like that he has given. That is second one. Third one, for proving, see, he only asked us to show that it should not be a reflexive, transitive or symmetric line. For proving, we have to take whichever is convenient for us, that number. That means, see, we are having three types of numbers in real numbers. Natural numbers are there, integers are there, rational numbers are there. Okay, if you have not watched my basic videos, please watch my basic videos. All I have explained about these numbers. We have to try trial and error one by one. Natural number, integer, rational number, we have to try. If with any one of type of number, if it satisfies that it is not a reflexive, then you have to stop and you have to write that number. Okay, like that we have to do. We don't have any other solution. Like this only you have to do. Trial and error method only I can say. Okay, see, in your solutions, books and all, solution will be there. But the solution who has made, like this only they will make. Okay, okay, let us see how we have to tackle this problem. Okay. See, first what I am doing, I am writing all real numbers. Real number set is asking why, because there is no control. Has he mentioned any control? No, not mentioned any control. That means the number may be minus infinity to plus infinity. Any number you can take and those should be satisfied and those should be unsatisfied for reflexive and symmetric and all. Okay. First let me write relation. No, not relation. Real numbers. Real numbers is equal to, see, minus infinity dot dot dot. Okay, then I write minus 3. Okay, then I write minus 5 by 2. Then I write minus 2. Then I write minus 3 by 2. Then I write minus 1. Then 0. Then again 1. Then 3 by 2. Then 2. Then 5 by 2. Then 3. Infinity. See, by writing this, you may be understanding that in real numbers, rational numbers are also there. Rational number 3 by 2, 5 by 2, minus 5 by 2, minus 3 by 2. Natural numbers are there. That means rational number q are there. Natural numbers are there 1, 2, 3 like. Integers are there minus That means positive or negative. 0, -1, -2, -3, minus. Okay, like that. This you have to keep in mind. Matlab means like these numbers you have to take for trial and error. Okay. Okay. Now let us see the relation. First relation I write this one. Reflexive relation. Okay, reflexive but not reflexive like we have to prove. Okay, I am writing reflexive. Okay, see what I do, rather than taking simple number, I take rational number. Let me say 1 by 2 I take. 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2. 1 by 2, see here I have told you, here he has not given y is equal to x square, he has given x is equal to y square. That means first you have to take y. I have taken y as 1 by 2. Here I have to take the x. Why? Because see, y, b is equal to 1 by 2. A is equal to how much? B square or less than b square. Okay, that means 1 by 4 or less than 1 by 4 means 1 by 8 is also lesser. Why? Because here if you go left side lesser, right side more, less than greater than, less than this side greater than that side. That means 1 by 4 will be here, 1 by 4, okay, 1 by 8 will be this side, 1 by 8, 1 by 8, something will be towards 0. Okay, see 0, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8. 1 by 4 if you square, 1 by 4 will come. 1 by 4 if you square, 1 by 4 will come. That means number is going to be reduced. Okay, this number you can take, equal to is there, but only this number, even less than that also you can take, less than 1 by 4, 1 by 8 also you can take. That means what I take here, first I will take equal number only 1 by 4, and then down also I will write, I also can take 1 by 8. Like this concept you have to understand. Okay. Okay. Now this belongs to R. Why? Because if you take 1 by 2, 1 by 4 is there. That is why this belongs to our relation is there. What we have to show? 1 by 2, 1 by 2, or 1 by 4, 1 by 4, or we have to show. See, for reflexive what we have to show? A comma A belongs to R. If you show this, then this is reflexive. Let us see. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, or 1 by 4, 1 by 4 will come or not. Okay. I am writing here 1 by 2, comma 1 by 2. R also I am writing, but I am not written belongs to or not belongs to. I am waiting. Okay, let me see. Once I take 1 by 2, same case here only, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 square I have to make for A. See, B you have taken 1 by 2. Okay, B you have taken, but for A what you have to take? A should be equal to B square. First let me take equal to, then I will take lesser. Equal to B square. B square is how much? 1 by 4. That means 1 by 4 I have to take here. But I am waiting. Why? Because for proving reflexive I have to take 1 by 2 only. If I want to take 1 by 2, it should be greater than 1 by 4. Whether is it greater than? Not there. Less than is there. That means rather than 1 by 4, I can take less than 1 by 4. But not greater than 1 by 4. But what I want greater than 1 by 4. Then only it is going to become 1 by 2. That means 1 by 2, comma 1 by 2 is not belongs to R. We have proved. Okay. Now what I have to write? Non-symmetric. 1 by 4 by 1 by 2 belongs to R, but you write like this. But 1 by 2, 1 by 2 not belongs to R. Therefore, non-reflexive. One thing over. Non-reflexive relation. Okay. Among three, reflexive, transitive, symmetric, one is over. Reflexive was over. You understand now how I have written? Why? Because see, randomly how to choose this one. Okay. Let me take same for symmetric also. Why? Because symmetric, it is, this number is going to work for symmetric also. This is simple number only, not a which one, difficult one. Okay. Now what I am writing, you see, symmetric. symmetric. Okay, same I will write. See here, 1 by 2 comma 1 by 4 belongs to R. Okay, A comma B belongs to R. Then if B comma A also belongs to R, then this is going to be called as symmetric. Okay, then I am writing this one, same. Again I am writing, see, 1 by 2 now it has to come here, it has to go that side. Okay. Okay. It has to go this side. Now you see, I have not written here belongs to or not belongs to, but this is belongs to, we know. Okay. Now again we think 1 by 4 I have taken, 1 by 4. See here we have to take first B. Okay. 1 by 4 I have taken, but how much here it will come? 1 by 4 if I take, you see, 1 by 4 if I take, for A is equal to 1 by 4 square. That means 1 by 16. Okay, 1 by 16 will come, but I want 1 by 4. Shall I increase the number? No, you cannot increase. You have to decrease. Even this will become 1 by 32 or something, but it will never going to become 1 by 4. That means what we understand? 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 4 not belongs to R. Okay. For this, in between, you write B also, but also. What I write here, you write. Like this you have to write. 1 by 4, 1 by 2 belongs to R, but 1 by 2, 1 by 4 not belongs to R. Okay? That means AB belongs to R, but BA not belongs to R. Therefore, non-symmetric. Okay, this you have written. Okay, see, same number you cannot apply for transitive. Transitive we will change. What we change? 3 to 3 by 2 we see. 3 to 3 by 2. Why I have told 3 to 3 by 2? 3 comma 2 comma 3 by 2 means A comma B comma C. So for transitive 3 numbers we require na A to B, B to C, A to C. Okay, like this we will see, and we will close this problem. Okay, let me see. Write for transitive. Transitive. See, he asked us to neither reflexive nor transitive nor symmetric means not reflexive, not symmetric, like that we have to show. 2 we have shown already, third one we are showing. Transitive. Transitive, what I am taking, 3 comma 2 I will take first. 3 comma 2 belongs to R. Okay. First, let us see whether this is correct or not. First I have to take 2. You know very well. Why? Because first I have to take B. B if I take, A is equal to B square or less than B square. 4. See, B square means 4, less than B square means 3. 3 I have taken. 2 square less. This is correct. Okay. Okay. Next what I do? 2 3 by 2. 2 comma 3 by 2 belongs to R. Let me see. See, why I have taken 2 here? See, A, B, B, C, A, C we have to make. Okay? A, B, B, C, A, C. A, B, B, C, A, C for transitive. That is why I have taken 2 again here. Here B is 2, B, here that B has to go, but this is C. C you make, C, 3 by 2 square, that is equal to 9 by 4. 9 by 4, see, 8 by 4 is 2, 9 by 4 is 2 point something. Say 2.1 or 2.2, whatever it may be, 2.2, 2.1. 2.1 we can take here, or less than 2.1 also we can take. 2 is less than 2.1 only. Okay, now this is also okay. Now come for third one. Now come for third one. Third one, 3 3 by 2. 3 comma 3 by 2 I have written, but I have not written belongs to or not belongs to. Let me see. Okay, now same thing I do. 3 by 2 whole square, that is equal to 9 by 4, that is equal to 2.1. 2.1 or less we have to take, but here 3 is there. 2.1 you cannot make more, na? 2.1 or less. But here 3 is there. 3, is it valid? not valid. Then we have to write not belongs to. You understand now how it has come? Okay. Like this we have to take the numbers. Randomly you have to choose for making. See here rational number, but here first natural number only, but for one number rational number we have taken to show. Here rational number is denominator is bigger. Here rational number denominator is smaller, smaller, and numerator is bigger. Like that combination you have to make. Even rational number if you take also. Okay, these are all analogy. Direct solution we don't have. We have to make trial and error only. Okay, but with simple numbers only we achieved this. We have not taken much strain. Okay, randomly you can choose. Okay. Now see, A to B belongs to R, B to C belongs to R, but A to C not belongs to R. That is why this is non-transitive. You write non-transitive. Non-transitive. Okay. You have to write here, but R also here. 3, 2 belongs to R, also 2, 3 by 2 belongs to R, but 3, 3 by 2 not belongs to R. That is why this is non-transitive. Okay. Now we have finished the second problem. We go for third problem. Okay. See the third question what they have written. Check whether relation are defined in the set. See here real number, natural number we did not take. We have given the set 1 to 6 only we have to take. That means less than 1, 0 we should not take. 0 onwards, more than 6, 7 onwards also we should not, 6 onwards also we should not take. 6 we can take. Like that control is given. Relation what he is mentioning? B is equal to A plus 1. That means here y is equal to x plus 1 like he has given. That means first we have to take A or x coordinate, then y coordinate we have to make relation. Whether this relation is reflexive, symmetric, transitive or not he is asking. Okay. Now set we need not write again. Already set is available. Small set only. What we do? We write directly relation first. Relation, how many combinations are going to come under. Let us write relation, then we will analyze whether it is reflexive, symmetric, transitive or not. Okay. Okay. See what I am doing. I am writing first relation. Relation R is equal to. First what I take 1. Okay. 1. This B coordinate. See if this is A, this is B. If this is X, Y will come. Like that we have to see. Now B is equal to A plus 1. A is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay. Now if I take 2, 3. 2 plus 1. If I take 3, 4. 3 plus 1. If I take 4, 5. 4 plus 1. If I take 5, 6. Shall I take 6? 6 plus 1, 7. But 7 is there? Not there. That is why you should not take more than 6. Now this is the set or relation. See what is relation? Relation is 3 to 4 relation, 4 to 5 relation, 2 to 3 relation, 1 to 2 relation, 5 to 6 relation. That is only the relation. Okay. Now this is the relation. Okay. Now we see one by one. Reflexive, symmetric, transitive, whether these are there as per that one or not. Okay, let me write symmetric, not symmetric. First reflexive we will see. Reflexive. Okay, for reflexive A comma A should belongs to R. Is it or not? Okay. A comma A means 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 5 comma 5, 6 comma 6, all should be there. Why? Because see, once you have started relation with these elements should have reflexive relation. Only 1 comma 1 is there, but remaining are not there. But remaining are with remaining elements relation is there, means that is also not reflexive. Complete reflexive relation should be there. But here 1 comma 1 is also not there. Why should we go by C remaining? Okay. We write here, but 1 comma 1 not belongs to R, then non-reflexive. Have you understood? A comma A belongs to R, you write for reflexive. This one. Reflexive you write 1 comma 2 belongs to R, but one relation. That means 1 comma 2 is there, but 1 comma 1 is not there. Not belongs to R. That is why non-reflexive. Okay. With this, reflexive is over. Okay. Now symmetric. For symmetric, what is should be there? 1 comma 2 belongs to R. 2 comma 1 belongs to R. Then this is reflexive. See, not only that one. 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1 is 1. 2 comma 3, 3 comma 2 is another one. 3 4, 4 3 is third one. 4 5, 5 4 is fourth one. 5 6, 6 5 is fifth one. Like that all should be there. Then only that is symmetric. But here first one itself is not there, then we need not see remaining. 1 comma 2 belongs to R, 2 comma 1 not belongs to R. What I have to do here? I have to strike this. Not belongs to R. Then what I have to write? But 1 comma 2 belongs to R, but 2 comma 1 not belongs to R. Non-symmetric. See, here he is not asked us to prove. Check, like that he is telling. We are checking. That is why non-reflexive, non-symmetric, like that we are writing answer. Okay. Now third one, transitive. Transitive. See, for transitive, you know na, A comma B belongs to R, B comma C belongs to R, and also A comma C, if it is belongs to R, A to B, B to C, A to C. Chain reaction will be there. A to B is there, B to C is there, A to C. If this is there, this is the transitive. We will see. 1 to 2 is there. Okay. 1 comma 2 belongs to R. Also 2 to 3 is there. 2 comma 3 belongs to R. Why? Because see here B is 2, B is 2. A to B, B to C. Okay. Now what is not there? What is there or what is not there? 1 to 3 is there? No, not there. But 1 comma 3 not belongs to R. Okay. See, for remaining also not there, but for proving non-transitive, only one is enough. 1 comma 2 is there, 2 comma 3 is there, 1 comma 3 is not there. That is why this is non-transitive. Non-transitive. Okay. You understand na? Like this we have to write. Here relation easily we can find. That is why we need not to put brain work for natural number, real number, whatever it may be like. Simple question this is. We have made answer. Let us go for fourth. Okay. See the fourth question. Show that the relation R in real number R defined as R is equal to A comma B. A is less than or equal to B. Here also first you have to take B, then A we have to make. Why? Because A should be less than or equal to. Okay. B is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. That means it should be reflexive, it should be transitive, but it should not be symmetric. Like we have to prove. This is our duty. Same thing. Real number is telling and prove. He is asking means natural number. We have to try with natural number, integers, rational numbers. Okay. All these three we will try. See. Reflexive and transitive, even if natural numbers it comes means we need not go for remaining numbers. Okay, we have proved like that. But for not symmetric proving, we will prove with natural numbers. If not able to prove, then we go for integer. If not able to prove, we go for rational number. Like that we will see. Let us see. Okay. Okay. And now how this relation is going to become, you see, first I will write a reflexive. Reflexive means A should be there. Okay. Now you observe here, I take 2, but I also can take 2 here. Why? Because A equal to B is there. In earlier problem, A equal to B square or A is less than B square is there. But here A equal to B is there. Direct I can take 2 comma 2 also. Okay. This is for natural number. What about an integer? If I take -5, I also can take -5. Is it correct or not? For integer I am talking. Natural number is over. integer I am talking. See here also you see no square is there. Square is there means minus 5 square 25 will come. But here no square is there. Direct number is there. B A is equal to or less than B. That means minus 5 I can take, even minus 10 also I can take. Less here also 2 I can take, even 1 to 1 0 like that also I can take. Why? Because this is a real number, even negative also it will go. Okay. Now you come for rational number. Rational number also, if I take 1 by 2 here, shall I take 1 by 2 here? Definitely I can take. Why? Because B if you take equal to is also there. That means 1 by 2 also you can take. That means reflexive is valid for all the three except these three. What number is there? 0 also come in integer, na? That's all. That means it has been proved for reflexive. We can write any number, we can write. Okay. Let me write 1 by 2. Okay. Reflexive 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 belongs to R. Okay. Also minus 2 comma minus 2 belongs to R. Okay, one rational number we have taken, one integer we have taken. Natural number we need not take. Okay, one natural number, one rational number, one integer we have taken. Therefore, this is reflexive. Reflexive. Okay, we have seen with all reflexive. He is also asking us the reflexive and transitive, but not symmetric. That is the first we show reflexive, then we show transitive, then we show non-symmetric like. Okay. Now I am writing for transitive rather than symmetric. First we go for, second we go for transitive. Transitive. Okay, transitive. Transitive rule is what? Rule is A to B should belongs to R, B to C should belongs to R. If these two are belongs to R, then A to C also should belongs to R. B should match A to C also belongs to R. Like that we have to see. Okay. You take the same number and try. No, not same number. You take this one, integer first. See, if I take 4 here, I have to take 2 here. Is it correct or not? Why? Because 2 also I can take, 4 also I can take, but less also I have to take. 2, 4 I have taken A. Okay, this belongs to R. For natural number I am talking about. Okay. If I take, say, 8, I can take 4 here. Why? Because less. Less I have to take or equal I have to take. Less I have taken. Why? Because B I am matching for B. Okay, 4, 4. 4 if I take, 2 I have to take. 8 I have taken, 4 I have taken. Then what I have taken again? 2, 8 I have taken. Why? Because A and C belongs to R or not? This belongs to R only. Why? Because 2 is less than B. A is less than B. A is less than B. Less than B also you have to take. For natural number it has been proved. Okay. What about integers? Same thing I am going to make minus here. Minus 4 I have taken. Here what I have to take? Minus 8. Is it correct? Why? Because minus 8 is less than minus 4. Okay. Again, for becoming minus 4 here, what you have to take here? Here you have to take minus 2. Is it correct or not? Why? Because minus 8 is less than minus 4. Minus 4 is less than minus 2. Okay. Now same case you repeat here. What you have to repeat? Minus 8, it should be reversed. But in minus. Minus 8 you have to write here and minus 2 you have to write here. AC. AB, BC are okay. Now AC, let us see whether it is correct or not. Minus 8 is less than minus 2 or not? Less than only. That means this is also belongs to R. For integers also it is okay. Now we see for rational number. Rational number what I take? I take 1 by 2, 1 by 4 here. Okay, belongs to R. Why? Because 1 by 4 is less than 1 by 2. Okay, same 1 by 2 I have to take here. Same 1 by 2 I have to take here. If I take 1 by 2 here, automatically here what will come? Let me take 1. Is it correct? Okay. Then we go for 1 by 4, 1. 1 by 4, comma 1. 1 by 1. That 1 means 1 by 1, but I have not written belongs to or not belongs to. Let us see. Whether 1 by 4 is less than 1 or not? Less than 1 only. That means belongs to R. That means transitive also proved for all the three. Okay. Whatever number you want, you can take and write. Transitive. Transitive, what you have to write? You have to write like this. So same thing you can write 1 by 4 comma 1 by 2 belongs to R, and 1 by 2 comma 1 belongs to R, also 1 by 4 comma 1 belongs to R. Therefore transitive. Okay, we have tried with 2, 3, but we have written only 1. Okay, 1 by 4 is less than 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is less than 1, 1 by 4 is less than 1. Okay, transitive. Remaining all numbers also we have seen. Now we go for this one, symmetric. Symmetric is important. Why? Because symmetric, not symmetric. These two are okay, but this should not become symmetric. That we have to prove. Okay, let me see. See, proving with any number, if you prove among 3, then that is enough. We need not see for further. Okay. Okay. Symmetric. Okay. Symmetric, I'll take natural number only, simple number. Okay, I have taken here 4. Then I have to take 4 or less, not more than 4. Why? Because A is less than B. Okay, I have to take 2 only here. Belongs to R. Okay, is it correct? Okay, now I write here. Again, I will write 4 comma 2, but not written belongs to R, this thing. Okay, you see here. If you take 4, you have to take 2. If you take 2, are you able to take 4? Why? Because you can take 2 or less than 2. 1 also you can take, 0 also you can take, like that. But more than 2 you cannot take. Why? Because A should be less than or equal to. Equal to, you for some time you forget. Less than B only you have to take. That means less than 2 only you have to take. You cannot take 3, 4 like that. That means this is not belongs to R. Okay. That is why this is not symmetric. How to write and all, we will write again. Okay. 2 comma 4 belongs to R, but 4 comma 2 not belongs to R. Therefore, non-symmetric. Okay. You understand, na? Such type of questions you have to answer like this only. Okay. Now what we do? We go for 5th problem. Check whether the relation R in real number R defined by R is equal to A should be less than or equal to B cube. Here also same thing has come. We have to see with 3 numbers. Okay. Reflexive, symmetric or transitive. He is not asked to show. He is asking check whether it will be symmetric, transitive or reflexive. We have to see. Check. We have to check. With 3 numbers we will check. Natural number, integer and rational number. Why? Because real number he has given. Real number means it has to satisfy for all. Okay, see one by one whether it is going to become reflexive and all or not. Why? Because here also same thing. Here he has given A is equal to B cube, means Y is equal X is equal to Y cube. First you have to take Y coordinate, then you have to make X coordinate accordingly. Okay. Let us see. First I will write reflexive. Reflexive. Okay. See, for reflexive I am going to take natural number, integer and rational number. Okay, I will try one by one. See here, first I will take natural number like 2 if I take, here how much I have to take? 2 cube. B cube means 2 cube. 8 I can take. Even less also I can take. That means even 2 comma 2 also I can take. Why? Because 2 is less than 8. Now that means 2 also will come. If I take 2 here, 2 also will come or 8 will come. But I cannot take 10 2. Why? Because more than 8 it should not go. Okay, that is why 2, 8 or less than 8 I can take. 2, 2 like that I can take. Okay. This is 1. Now you write like this. If 2 comma 2 I can take, yes, take. Why? Because see, 2 2 already there. That means with a natural number it is becoming reflexive. But let us see with the integers also. Okay. Okay. Now what I do? Minus 2 I take here. Minus 2 if I take, minus 8 will come here. Is it correct? Minus 2 cube is how much? 2 cube is 8, but minus 2 cube is minus 8. Minus 2 square is 4. Why? Because minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. But minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 means 3 times minus is there. That is why minus will come. Minus 8. Okay. Now minus 8 will come. See, minus 8 only shall I take or less also? Yes, less also you can take. But how much you can take? Shall you take minus 2? No. Why? Because minus 2 is greater than minus 8. But you have to take less than minus 8. That means rather than minus 8 you can take minus 10, minus 16. But minus 2 you never going to take. That means in second case itself it has failed reflexive. You understand? And now what you have to write? This only you have to write. Minus 8 minus 2 belongs to R, but not minus 2 minus 2. Okay? Like that you have to write. But we want minus 2 minus 2. Na? Reflexive means A comma A should be there. Okay. I will write how to write and all, you see, observe how I am writing. Okay. Minus 8 comma minus 2 belongs to R, but minus 2 comma minus 2 not belongs to R. Why? Because if minus 2 comes automatically here, minus 8 will come. More than minus 8. See, minus 2 more than minus 8. That is why it is not going to become. That is why, therefore, non-reflexive. Okay? This is one over reflexive. See, for non-reflexive showing among 3, if 1 comes, okay, over, close. If you want to show that repeated reflexive, then you have to show for all the 3. Okay? Now you write this one. Symmetric. 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 Okay. See, symmetric is what? Minus 2, 8 means 8 minus 2 it has to come. Okay, let us try with the same number. Okay, I have taken here minus 2, but here minus 8 has come. Even I can take this minus 16 also, less. But more I cannot take. Why? Because A is less than B cube or A is equal to B cube. Okay, it is over. Now let me see here. Minus 8 and minus 2 will come. Sorry. Minus 2 and minus 8 will come or not? Minus 8 cube is how much? Minus 8 cube is minus 512. Okay? But if you write minus 2 here, whether it is minus 2 is less or more. Minus 512 is here, minus 2 is here, 0 is here, 2 is here. Okay? That means minus 512 is less than minus 2. From left to right if you go, value will be increased. Okay. If you see here, if minus 8 comes here, here minus 512 is going to come. But it should never come minus 2. Why? Because for becoming minus 2 it has to increase. But here decrease is there, less. That is why here itself it has been failed. What you have to write? Minus 8 minus 2 belongs to R, but minus 2 minus 8 not belongs to R. Like that we have to write. That means with integers itself it has failed. What I am writing, you see? For symmetric, minus 8 comma minus 2 belongs to R, but minus 2 comma minus 8 not belongs to R. Therefore, non-symmetric. Okay, why? Because A, B, B, A. If it is there, then only it is symmetric. Now, it has failed. Okay. Now, let us see with the transitive. Okay. Transitive. Transitive, let me see rational number or something. Okay. What I see, 3 comma 3 by 2 I take. With 3 by 2 another number I take. Say 6 by 5. Okay. Then 3 comma 6 by 5 we will see. Okay, like that we will see. Okay, for transitive what should be there? A to B, B to C. Here B same should come. Okay, then A to C, A to B, B to C, A to C. Okay, now see here, A to B, is it okay? Why? Because C cube, 3 cube, how much? 27. 27 by 3 by 2 whole cube is equal to 27 by 4. Sir, not 4, 8. 27 by 8. That means how much it will come? 8 4s are 32. 8 3s are 24. Or 3 point something will come. Okay? 3 is there. Less. Okay. This is okay. Okay? Now you come here. But because here 3 by 2 you have to write B. A to B, B to C. Okay. Here how much it will come? 36 into 6 by 125. Is it correct? 5 cube. Why? Because cube is there, na? 6 6 are 36, 6 3 are 18, 216 by 125. See, 125 2s are 250. But is less than 250 is there. That is why here it will come 1.6 or something. Okay. 1.6. Here 1.5 is there. Less than 1.6, 1.5 I can take. 3 by 2 means 1.5. Okay. Both are satisfied. Okay. Now come here. 3 6 by 5. Again. So A, C we have taken. 3 6 by 5. 6 by 5 means 1.6 will come. But here 3 is there. 1.6, 3. 3 should be 1.6 equal to 1.6 or less than 1.6. But 3 is not going to become less than 1.6. It is more than 1.6 only. That means in transitive area, if you take these 3 numbers, it is failed. Okay. And let me write that one also. Okay, you write like this, transitive. Okay, you write like this. 3 comma 3 by 2 belongs to R. Also 3 by 2 comma 6 by 5 belongs to R. But 3 comma 6 by 5 not belongs to R. You understand, na? Three comma 6 by 5 not belongs to R. Therefore, non-transitive. It has become non-reflexive, non-symmetric, non-transitive. See, like this, cubes, squares comes under rather than equal to, less than or greater than means always these results only may come. 90% these results only may come. Okay. Now you note down and we go for 6th problem. Okay, see the 6th question, what they have written. Show that the relation R in the set 1, 2, 3. That means we have to take only these 3 elements. Given by R, relation is equal to 1, 2, 2, 1. Relation also he has given. We need not prepare again relation. Relation also he only given. Is symmetric. That means this relation we have to show that this is a symmetric relation. But neither reflexive nor transitive. That means this relation is not going to become reflexive, not going to become transitive. That also we have to show. Okay, let us see. This is simple problem only. We will write here. Okay. Again I am writing relation is equal to 1, 2, 2, 1. Okay. Now we will analyze. Okay. First I will write reflexive. Okay. Reflexive 1, 1, 2, 2 should be there, but is it there here? Not there. Then this is not reflexive. We can write like this. 1, 1 not belongs to R. Also 2, 2 not belongs to R. Okay. Therefore, non-reflexive. Okay. He asked neither reflexive. And transitive also we will see. Transitive. Okay. See, for transitive, A to B, B to C, A to C should be there. Okay, let us see what are all there. 1, 2 belongs to R. Also, 2, 1 belongs to R. See here, AB, BC I have taken rather than BA. I can take like that also. BC. Now it has become C. A to C, we should see. 1 comma 1 are, whether it is belongs to or not belongs to, not belongs to, not belongs to R, therefore non-transitive. Okay. Now we see the third one, symmetric. Symmetric, we have to show that this should be symmetric. Let us see symmetric. Symmetric. See, symmetric, A to B, B to A, 1 to 2, 2 to 1. Symmetric only. See, here in relation, again 3 has come, means then with 3 also that property should be matched. Here 3 has not come. See, 3 is in set, but 3 is not in relation. That is very important. You have to understand. If 3 comes in relation, then this property we have to show with 3 also. For proving that this is belongs to symmetric, then you have to show. For not proving non-transitive, then with any one if you prove, that is non-transitive, non-reflexive, like you can tell. Okay, that is very important. These are the basics you have to understand. 3 is not there, that is why 1, 2, 2, 1 only we are taking. Okay, symmetric. 1, comma 2 belongs to R and 2, comma 1 belongs to R, therefore symmetric. Is it okay? This is the answer for your 6th question. In the next video, we will see from 7th question onwards. So total 16 questions are there. Last 15 and 16 objective type only, but that also will take some time to explain and tell. Let me see how many videos it is going to become under. Okay. Now we have finished the 6th question in this video. We will meet for 7th question in next video. Thank you very much.